Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Android Keystore in signing for release builds, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Android Studio application. Navigate to the project you want to configure for release builds. Locate the Gradle tab on the right side of your screen. Expand the Gradle menu to find the Tasks section. Look for Android within the tasks and expand it. Find the signing report task and double-click it to run. This action will generate a signing report in the Run window. Take note of the SHA-1, SHA-256, and MD5 keys as you will need them later. Next, go to your app's build.gradle file. Locate the Android block within this file. Add a new section titled Signing Configs. Within that section, define the signing configurations. Specify the alias, key password, and store file for your release key. You can create a new Keystore file using the command line if you don't have one. Open your terminal and navigate to the directory where you want the Keystore. Run the keytool command to generate a new Keystore. Once the Keystore is created, return to Android Studio. Under the Signing Configs section, reference your new Keystore file. Proceed to the build type section in the same build.gradle file. Add a new build type for release. Under this section, set the signing configuration to the one you just created. Next, sync your project with the Gradle files. To do this, click the Sync Now notification that appears. After syncing, navigate to the Build menu at the top of Android Studio. Select Build Bundles/APKs from the drop-down menu. Then choose Build APKs to start the build process. Wait for the build to finish, which may take a few moments. Once complete, a notification will appear indicating the APK location. Navigate to the specified folder to confirm the APK is generated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.